Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Pune location. It is from Maharashtra. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for data hiring position from Infosys BPM Limited. So it is located in Pune location, Maharashtra. Coming to educational requirements, Bachelor of Arts, BCA, BCom and BCS. So these are the qualification details. You should have work experience like zero, fresher candidates are eligible to apply for this position, and you should have knowledge in SLA compliance, process compliance and also knowledge management. So you please check with all the details provided here, and for more detailed information about this job opening, you can refer in the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for Associate Computer Operations from Pfizer V Inc. So it is for Pune location, Maharashtra. So coming to job description, you need to receive customer calls or emails as first line of support, if any, record and track incidents and complaints, and acknowledge incidents as first line of support, record and track incidents, and identify opportunities to improve the turnaround time for issue resolution, and monitor end-to-end ACH file transmission. And you need to keep the on-site team members informed on request status and progress via email or phone. So this is about the job description. You please check with all the information provided here, and if you want to know more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can visit in the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next, there is a job opening for Junior Associates Designers. It is from Affinity Express. So it is for Pune location, Maharashtra. So coming to roles and responsibilities, you should be having excellent knowledge and hands-on expertise of Illustrator software and tools, and you should be having 6 months to 5 years of experience. So these candidates are eligible to apply for this position. Skilled fresher candidates are also most welcome for this position with a good knowledge of Illustrator, and you should be unique. You can able to develop illustrations, logos and other designs using software like Illustrator and CorelDRAW, and you need to use the appropriate colors and layouts for each graphic. Ensure final graphics and layouts are visually appealing and on brand, and you should be having good knowledge of English to read customer instruction, self motivation and the ability to work to deadlines, and you should be having good understanding of creating designs, and you should be comfortable and open to work in night shifts. It will be compulsory. Currently work from home option is there, and the candidates should have their personal laptop and also broadband connection of 30 mbps speed or more. So these are the roles and responsibilities, and also about the job description. So you please check with all the details provided here, and if you want to know more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for executive position for credit operations. It is from Bajaj Finserv. It is for Pune location. Next, coming to duties and responsibilities, customer service, TAT tokens, customer complaints and NSR or SR closer management, and daily cash collection or updating and deposition and checking and updating agency or branch working collection, cross-selling the insurance and other products to walk-in customers, cash and customer service or NPS and audit queries, service branch maintenance and control, consistent increase in penetration of CDM or KOSK, and manage escalations with the teams for end-to-end resolution and petty cash management. You need to maintain minimal errors in audit report published by HO, and you need to understanding of cash and customer service related processes and also policies. And you must be a graduate or postgraduate, fresher with or else with experience. So freshers and also experienced candidates are eligible to apply for this position, and the candidate should be having ability to work independently and also towards deadlines. Effective oral and communication skills are required for this position. So interested candidates, you please check with all the details provided here, and I will and you can also check in the provided link for more detailed information, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for application support position from Barclays. It is for Pune location, Maharashtra. So coming to job description, you need to make enhancements to internet facing application and keep the application up to date with latest standards, and you need to upgrade the application through a robust uses of DevOps and self-serve processes, and you need to ensure risk and controls are always adhered and within thresholds, and champion and embed the delivery methods which are being adopted by the bank, and interface for teams, support technology and business teams, and you need to gain a complete understanding of data to support business use cases, and to improve understanding of new areas, work with the product owner, business BAs, tech teams to ensure that complete data understanding is achieved, and if necessary it's documented to expand knowledge within the team. So this is about the job description. You please go through with the information provided here, and if you want to know more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official
Next
website
one,
link
there is a
provided
job
here,
opening for
and I will also
junior
provide this
scientific
link in the
officers.
description
It
for
is
your
from
reference.
Central Forensic Science Laboratory. It is for Pune location, from Government of India. So salary is not disclosed here for this position. Experience will be 3 to 7 years of experience is required. And coming to education qualification details, it will be BSc and also MSc. So these candidates are eligible. So last date for application process for this position is 1st June 2021. So interested candidates, you can check here with the selection process, and for more detailed information like application process and other detailed information about this job opening, you can refer in the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for executive or junior executive position for control tower. So it is from 3SC Solutions for Pune location. So coming to education qualification details, you must have done your graduation in any stream, or MBA operations or supply chain or logistics is preferred. And coming to experience details, fresher candidates are also eligible for this job role, and also 0 to 3 years of prior experience is required in office support, coordination and also voice process, etc. And the candidate from transport or logistics or distribution or supply chain is preferred, and also the candidate should be having sufficient knowledge of MS Excel for MIS reporting, and the candidate having exposure to internet and Outlook is preferred. So executive or junior executive will be reporting to team lead control power. So the candidate will be a part of control power team and taking care of activities like track and trace, TMS or WMS or OMS updation, and MIS reporting, etc. So these are the some of the details provided here about this job opening. You please check with all the information provided, and if you want to apply for this position, then you can send your resume to the provided mail ID. It is info@3scsolution.com. Next one, there is a job opening for .NET developer position from 3SC Solutions. It is for Pune location. Let us discuss experience and also qualification details about this job opening. You should be having minimum 3 years of experience in software development and ability to adapt quickly to an existing environment, and ability to quickly learn new concepts and software is necessary, and the candidate should be a self-motivated, independent and detail-oriented, and should be responsible team player and exhibit exceptional relationship management skills, and the candidate should be having strong verbal and written communication skills, and also good knowledge on logistic process will be an added advantage,
and strong interpersonal skills are required, and ability to work in fast paced environment and quickly learn new software technologies. So these are the experience and also qualification details. Some of the skills are also added here. You please check with all the information. If you are suitable to apply for this position, then you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is info@3scsolution.com. Next one, there is a job opening for customer service executive position. It is for service assurance. So it is from Tata Communications for Pune location. So interested candidates, please check with the job description. And coming to education qualification details, you must have done your engineering graduation in CCNA or CCNP certification is preferred, and fresher candidates are also eligible to apply for this position, and as well as 0 to 4 years of experience is also required for this position. So coming to skills details, the candidate should be having skills and knowledge that will allow them to adapt to effectively deal with the unfamiliar issues, challenges, problems within their field of specialization. So you can able to identify problems and provide inputs to improve, change or adapt existing methods and techniques, drawing from personal experiences and feedback, and actively acquires more complex skills, techniques, operating practices, and also knowledge of abstract concepts in order to progress toward full proficiency in the field of specialization. So these are the some of the skills are added here. You please go through with the information like about the job description and about the roles and responsibilities, and also about the skills, and also education qualification experience details. You please go through with the information, and if you want to know more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. There is a job opening for associate or partner operations. So it is from Spiceworks for Pune location. So coming to job description, you need to set up campaigns, send or reply sales briefs, and kick off campaigns, chase for leads, send rejections or complaints, answering questions from external or internal teams, liaise with internal teams, update the different reports used by the team, and you need to maintain a high level of confidentiality when dealing with the different stakeholders and or when required. So these are the some of the tasks you need to perform. This is about the job description. So interested candidates, if you want to know more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.